welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see beautiful Chettinad collections, but this time it's going to be completely checks pattern design. These checks pattern will be ideal for the elders because they generally likes the checks pattern. But even the youngsters could wear it. They can make it more trendy. And this is going to be a mixture of big checks, small checks, triple color checks, double color checks. Those kind of different type of checks we are going to see in this video. And all are priced below 700. Nothing is going to be above 700. So it's going to be a really budget friendly collection too. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is again a big border pattern in the checks pattern Chettinad cotton saree. Very beautiful design. This is called Palam Kattam, where we have multiple colors in the body. This is called Palam Kattam, and a very pretty thread border on both the sides of the saree. We have thread borders. Very pretty design. Both the sides are lovely thread border, and the pallu of the saree is a line pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and the body is this, and the price of the saree is 690. We have some beautiful combination in the Param checks also. I'll show you the other colors. The next is again a very different multiple shade of fawn, maroon, rust, different color combos. Very pretty border, lovely border, and there's a closer look of the saree. A beautiful color combination, will be very pretty when you wear, and the price of the saree is 690. Next combo is a blue, yellow, green triple color combination. Very classy border, thread border, very pretty border, and the price of the saree is 690. Next combination, a very different pattern, green, yellow, red, all mixed, and the border is a very different border with a yana pate and a floral motif. Looks really nice when you wear. So this is the body of the saree, very pretty one, and the price of the saree is 690. Next combination, very pretty combination, yellow, pink, red, beautiful combination. And the border is a very pretty border. Have a closer look of the thread border. Whoever don't like zari borders, it's the best alternative is this. Very pretty one. So this is the body of the saree, a pretty one, and the price of the saree is 690. Next combination, again a different shade, a green, maroon, pink, all combinations mixed. These sarees will be very ideal for elders especially. Even youngsters, if they wear with paired up with a different contrast blouse, it will look really pretty. Very ideal for this summer, which you can even use it for housewear, and the price of the saree is 690. Next combination, mango, yellow, pink, vadamalli and green combination. Again a beautiful thread border with yana pate and floral motif. Beautiful design, looks really class. The colors will be very nice when you wear, and the price of the saree is 690. The next is a very different shade again, a beautiful one, green, fawn, all kind of mixed combinations, and the thread border of the saree is this, pretty border, very lovely color. The last color in the same pattern, a very typical a very traditional Palam Kattam checks, the yellow, green and maroon. This is a very traditional color, and this is the border, very pretty border, thread border, and the price of the saree is 690. This is again a beautiful tricolor Chettinad cotton saree in a thread border pattern, a Param checks, very pretty color combo. Have a closer look of the border, a yana pate with the floral motif. Looks really pretty when you wear. This is the body of the saree, a lovely color combo, and the price of this saree is 690. Very pretty color combo. This is again a very pretty checks pattern Chettinad cotton saree. This is a smaller checks pattern. Both the sides it's a love. This is a very small zari border, and above that you have a beautiful thread border, that kind of a pattern, and it has a small lines. It's a this is called a Doria pattern cotton, Doria pattern weaving. Very pretty color combination. Throughout the body you have a multiple checks, very pretty color combo. And this is the pallu of the sari. Very simple line pallu, very pretty one, ideal for the summer and for especially for the elders. And the price of the sari is 680. We have beautiful color combos in this. I'll show you the other combos. The next is going to be a very pretty peacock blue with an orange shade, more of a kesari color, that kind of a shade. Very pretty color combo. I'm just showing you the colors because all the saris is going to have the same border, and the pallu is going to be a simple line pallu for all the saris next, which I'm going to show you now. And the price of the sari is 680. The next combination is a lovely color, a beautiful neon green with a pink combination. Looks really class. It will be very nice when you wear it. Really lovely combination. The next is a subtle combination. This is a darker fawn with a green combination. Beautiful color again. A very subtle combination. The next color which I'm going to show you, you will just love it. A black with a white checks. Really pretty. A lovely border. Beautiful design. Looks really pretty when you wear. The next combination is going to be darker green with pink. Very pretty one. Darker green with a pink combination. Beautiful design. This is the border of the sari, a pretty border, lovely pattern, very beautiful color. This is again a beautiful green with a kesari color combination. Very lovely traditional combination these saris are. Very ideal for gifting also. Very pretty one. For elders you can just give these saris. Very pretty one. The next is going to be a lovely kesari with a beautiful kesari color with a violet color combination. Lovely color, beautiful design. And the price of the sari is 680. The next combination is a neon green with a blue color combination. Beautiful color combination, lovely pattern. And the price of the sari is a 680. It's a very pretty checks pattern design in the Chettinad cotton sari. Both the sides very small thread border in the temple pattern, very pretty one. And throughout the body we have a beautiful checks in fawn and pink color. Looks really pretty. And the pallu of the sari is this, a simple line pallu, and these saris do not carry blouses. And the price of the sari is 680. We have some lovely color combination in this pattern. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a beautiful blue and pink shade. Very pretty combination, and the border is again a thread border with a manga pattern design. Lovely color combination, beautiful pattern. So this is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is going to be just a line pallu. So I'll just show you only the body of the sari. All the saris which I'm going to show you now is going to be a line pallu. So this is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 680. The next combination is a very pretty dark chammangi color with a brown combination, dark brown combination, and the temple border design, a thread border. Both the sides it's a thread border, very pretty one. And the price of the sari is 680. The next combination is very lovely. It's a beautiful green and pink combination, and the border is a manga paid border. It's a thread border again. Very pretty design. This is the body of the sari. Looks really pretty when you wear. Nice color. And the price of the sari is 680. A beautiful dark color maroon Chettinad cotton sari. A very beautiful checks pattern design, big checks pattern design, and the weaving is being done inside the sari itself. And the border is a beautiful temple border design. Bottom it's a contrast, and above that we have the temple border design. Very pretty. Both the sides we have the same length of the border. Very beautiful design. And the pallu of the sari is a line pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and we don't have blouse for these saris. And the price of the sari is 680. We have beautiful color combo in the same pattern. I'll show you the other combos. The next is a very lovely blue sapphire blue peacock green shade. In that a mustard color combination checks. Beautiful border. And the price of the sari is 680. The next is, wow, looks really pretty. Navy blue with peacock green. Beautiful shade. And the border is a very beautiful temple border. And the price of the sari is 680. The next combination in the same pattern is a orange shade, more of a dark kesari shade. In that the border is in green color. Looks really classy. A big checks pattern. Nice design. And the price of the sari is 680. This is more of a light kavi color, and the border is in light brown shade. That's the shade of the border. Very beautiful design, a beautiful checks pattern, and the price of the saree is 680. The next is again a very pretty pink. It's more of a lighter pink, it's not too bright, and the border is in beautiful contrast light skin color shade, that kind of a shade. Beautiful design, and the price of the saree is 680. That's the colors in this pattern. This is a very pretty checks pattern design. The checks is completely weaved inside the saree. A small design, a beautiful mauve color shade chettinad cotton saree, and the pallu and the border of the saree is again a checks border. Very pretty design. The weaving is being done inside the checks. You have an Annapakshi, you have an elephant, you have a temple. So different kind of borders weaved inside, motifs weaved inside the border. What a wow work what the weavers have done. Very pretty one. And the price of this saree is 640. The next color combo in the same pattern, we have beautiful color combos. The next is going to be a lovely dark brown, beautiful color, and this is the border. Very different border in this. Small checks pattern in a column and different patterns of borders used in this. Very pretty, and the price of the saree is 640. The next is going to be a lovely navy blue, beautiful navy blue. Looks really pretty. Same border, all thread border weaving. Very pretty one, and the price of the saree is 640. The next is a very beautiful maroon, a lovely traditional color, and the border of the saree is this, different borders, and the price of the saree is 640. The next is a lovely chamangi shade, pretty one, lovely shade, beautiful color, and the price of the saree is 640. This is a lovely beautiful chettinad cotton saree with a zari and a thread border design. Have a closer look of the border. Very beautiful one. This is a kesari color with a dark green combination. Looks really a class color. These colors will be ideal for your elders, and the price of the saree is 680. The next combination is a dark onion color with a maroon color combination. Beautiful color combo, lovely pattern, very pretty color, and the price of the saree is 680. The next combination in the same pattern is a kesari color with a dark maroon. Looks really nice. Simple, elegant sarees for elders especially. And the price of the saree is 680. The next is a kesari color with a dark brown combination. And the price of the saree is 680. This is a beautiful small checks border chettinad cotton saree, a kesari color with a dark brown shade, and the border is a beautiful thread border, and above that a small rudraksha shaped zari border design. Very pretty design, and a very beautiful combination. And the pallu of the saree is a simple line pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 645. We have beautiful combination in this pattern. The next pattern in the same is a very pretty yellow and pink shade. Looks really pretty, and the border is in green contrast. Beautiful shade, and the price of this saree is 645. The next shade in the same pattern is a purple and a skin color combination, small checks pattern. Beautiful color combo, and the border is in contrast color in mustard. Very beautiful shade, and the price of the saree is 645. Last combination in the same pattern is a beautiful brown with green combination. Small check, so it looks really cute and nice, and the border is in contrast mustard shade. Very pretty, and all this is a thread border. Very pretty one, and the price of the saree is 645. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the beautiful chettinad collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.